After starting of the machines, keep asking on the patients or whether the patient has not for sleep, and check for his consciousness and whether he is feeling proper pain, even though we have checked for the skin sensation. But many times because of the pleasant or improper knowledge, patient we think that taking more laser will have a early effect, then patient may not give actual response what he is feeling, and there may be chances end of the session you will have a such kind of burning, or that is a black spots or kind of a burning hole kind of impressions will be there over the skins. And as completion of the skin just exposed for the particular part, and in case of a necrotic tissue and wound healing there may be chances that areas become completely pinkish because of increase in the local blood supply. So that is not to be worried, and this erythema kind of things will disappear within the half an hour of the treatment. And if possible, apply the cold pack after giving the dose of laser therapy. So in case of any kind of blister kind formations or because of vasodilation and any injuries happening, that can be co-counter by the cryotherapy. And ask the patient to observe the same at the home after half an hour, that whether any kind of abnormality over the skin has been noted. If it is noted, then report to the department or visit to the department for the same. This is how the complete laser therapy is given, and before the next session you have to again inspect the patient whether yesterday's doses has delivered properly or it's having any kind of impact or not impact over the skin, and according to that you can manipulate the doses as well as ask the patients about other pain and other symptoms, so how it is feeling, and according to that we can modify the treatment protocol for the next sessions. Thank you. Good afternoon students. Today we will see about an application of laser therapy or low level laser therapy, that is LLT. So before knowing the application, we'll just know the brief about how this low level laser therapy works. So as we all know that it is basically working in all kind of musculoskeletal conditions and have a direct effect on pain relief. Along with that, have a direct effect on accelerated tissue regeneration or wound healing, that will stimulate the cell proliferation of fibroblasts, keratinocytes, endothelial cells, and lymphocytes, and ultimately helping uh, to have a wound healing or healing in the tissues. So, suppose if the light of 600 to 1000 nanometer, or normally if you see the class 3 and class 4 have a 4 watt of delivery, so that will activate mitochondria, and cytochrome C oxidase will be there, which will increase the ATP and increase the nitrous oxide, will ultimately activate your nucleus gene expression, and with the AP1 NF-XKB growth factor, production of anti-apoptotic signaling, metabolic alteration, and anti-inflammatory effect. I will repeat again: anti-apoptotic signals and metabolic alterations will change the healing in the regeneration, and ultimately we are getting soft tissue healing and getting better results in decrease in the pain as well as increase in the healing process as faster as possible. So we will look just what are the conditions that can include the treatment of with lasers, that is osteoarthritis of the hip, knee, ankle, all kind of rheumatoid arthritis, temporomandibular dysfunction, all kind of shoulder impingement syndromes, hip and shoulder bursitis, low back disc degeneration, disc herniation, sciatica, neuropathic pain, tendonitis, all kind of plantar fasciitis, and reduction of the volume and the pain in the lymphedema. Along with that, all kind of open wound including venous ulcer will have a greater results in with the low level laser therapy, that is LLT. Now if you see this how we have to apply, so before starting the applications we have to set the patient's or patient condition has to be treated well, or it has to be adapted a particular position. So preparations of patient will include about they expose that particular part which has to be given for a treatment, because we cannot give over the close like how we are giving for SWD or something. Okay, it has to be clearly exposed directly to the skins, and that part should not have any hair. If it is hair, then if it is, because you have to give a laser therapy on daily basis, so that has to be do razor and remove that if it is possible. Then clean that particular local skin with normal saline or warm luke water, so to avoid any kind of dentures or skin resistance or depth over the skins, so which will have a good penetration in the skin layer. And after that, cleaning that particular part and exposing the pattern and adapted the position or the patient's comfortable position, you have to check for the machine. You have to go for a preparations of the machine as well, that how it will do, that we'll see. So preparations of the machines, we have to check for the power plug and all the cords which are attached with the diodes, either it's a single diodes or a 33 diodes. Then check for that particular cables, if there any leak, that has to be checked, and use the position in such a way that no cables are hanging over the patient's body part or directly exposing to the body parts. And wear the goggles, and same time the patient has to be have hold the way the goggles for to avoid the unavoidable exposure into the eyes or retina, even though we are taking in any other parts of the body. But meanwhile the patient, while looking for the body parts, and maybe chances of exposure of laser beam directly over the retina. Okay, so wearing the goggles is compulsory for patients as well as therapists both. And after that, we have to select the particular area, and we have basically two kind of treatment protocols where we can give. One is a contact method, another one is a non-contact methods. In contact method, the laser probe is directly attaching over the in contact with the skins of the patients. And in case of a non-contact practice, we have to keep a certain amount of gap. Mostly in case of all diode lasers will have a certain amount of gap, at least of 1 centimeter to 2 centimeters. But nowadays, with the advancement of the technology, newer machines are coming with the already edges are there over the probe, either is a single probe or a 33 diode probe, so there will be no direct contact of the laser to the body parts, because direct contacts there may be a chances of skin infections or skin conditions of the person. Then that may be problem with the transfusion of infections from one person to the another person. After selecting the proper method, either contact method or non-contact method, all the knobs of the machines to be checked, and all the parameters including the doses, time, everything has to be set prior of the treatment. Then instruct the patients about what kind of feeling the subject will have, so that there will be no kind of burning, because in contact or non-contact we are not just directly keeping over that particular point, but we have to keep on moving, so it does not get any kind of burning in case of high laser or more than 2 watt laser. So ask the subject, so whether is feeling any kind of discomforts or burning kind of sensation, then report to the physiotherapist, so there will be no chances of direct burns. And you have to clearly see or notice that particular body part does not get any kind of redness or blackish spots over the skin where you are applying the laser. Especially even after the treatment also, we have to evaluate the skin, and after that only we have to relieve the patients. So depends on that particular time and doses has been selected, you can expose that particular start with the machines with all necessary has been set, and we can deliver the treatment and keep on moving, especially if it is around we can give in a linear motions or spiral motions or figure eight motions to avoid single beam exposure and chances of burnings over the body tissues, and especially cover the different body parts or what purpose you are using. Same purpose you should use for the particular area should be exposed with the lasers, so it will be easy to have that kind of practice while performing the laser with application.